Hello and welcome to how to upgrade your Mart or Mart portal and initialize your ER360 to get it going. This will take it to version 12.5 or later versions. First of all, you want to check out the documentation. All of our documentation is located online at the link provided. We also have a how to upgrade your Mart portal topic. There are prerequisites. You want to make a backup of your current Mart or Mart portal database, so you'll have that handy in case anything should happen. It's just a precaution. When upgrading from an earlier version prior to 9.8 to a later version, you should first upgrade to 9.8 as an intermediate step and then to the later version. If you're upgrading from 2020 R1, you need to first upgrade to 2020 R1 SP1 and then the 2020 R2 before you can upgrade to a later version. Please contact technical support for a copy of these earlier versions of the software if you don't have them. You can also ask them any questions that you may have about your upgrade. When running Configure More Portal, make sure that the services are stopped. Make sure that the server is stopped. If you have either of these running when you run the window for Configure Mart Portal may not start after you complete the upgrade process. There are two ways to do your upgrade. It's either a manual upgrade or an automated upgrade. The manual upgrade consists of checking all the models out of the Mart, saving them offline as Erwin Data Modeler files, creating a new Mart on a new database, a new Mart portal, and then checking the models into the new Mart portal using the upgraded version of Erwin Data Modeler. The cons to this is that you lose the version history and the Mart catalog. The advantages are that you get a fresh start and you may want to trim your data this way. You may also want to recreate your catalog from scratch. The automated upgrade is where you use the Mart Configure window to upgrade the database in place. For this, you'll need to install the Mart Portal software, the latest version, and then you'll run the Mart Configure window, connect to the database, and upgrade it. We'll demonstrate this later. The advantages are that this is automated and all the model data, the versions, and the catalog are retained. The disadvantages are that after upgrading the Mart portal, you must open each model one time using Erwin Data Modeler to upgrade it to the current version and save it back to the Mart. This is a one-time hit. You only have to do it one time. Also, you don't have to open all the models at once. For example, you can open your 5 most popular models, upgrade them first, save them back, and then do the rest on a as needed basis. Here are the steps to upgrade the Mart portal automated. Stop and remove the services. Remove the prior Mart portal or Mart software using Windows Add or Remove programs. Install the new software. Run the configure window to upgrade the Mart portal. Create the new services. Start the new services. Open and save back the models using the current version of Erwin Data Modeler. Here are the steps to initialize ER360. You want to make sure that you have an ER360 license. You launch the Erwin Mart portal in the browser and log in. In the upper right hand corner, you click the ER360 icon, and that will bring up the initialization menu for ER360. You fill out the form including your license code, and you press initialize. Okay, we're going to demonstrate the automated upgrade from the Mart server to the Mart portal. So I have the Mart Portal software installed, the latest version. And what we're going to do is go to Start, and we're going to go to Erwin, and we're going to choose Configure Mart Portal. Now you want to make sure that you have the Mart Portal services stopped when you do this. Continuing, I'm working with a SQL Server database. I have my port filled in. My local host is the machine. This is my older Mart database. I'm going to type in the password, and I'm going to test the connection, and it works. And now I'm going to hit the configure button to cause the automated upgrade to take place. Here it says that the older version is 12.1. In this case, we're upgrading it to the later version of 14.0. I click yes to upgrade it. It's upgraded successfully, and we're done. So that's how you perform the automated upgrade. Okay, now that we have an upgraded Mart portal, we can now initialize the ER360. As we can see here, I've created the services. We have the 4 services right here, and they're running. So the next step is to go into Erwin, go to Mart Portal, and we're going to log in, and we're logged in. And now we'll go up to ER360, and we'll get the initialize screen. So here I'm going to create the first initial user. I'm going to put in my email address. I'm going to put in the license key. I'm going to click I have read and understood the terms of use. I'm going to click on initialize, and then I have an ER360, and I can log in the ER360, and we're done with initializing the ER360. If you have difficulties after the upgrade, if you're missing any data or models or not harvesting to ER360, stop the server or the services, run the Configure Mart portal, go to the tab Advanced, check on Rerun Report Upgrade for all models, press the Configure button, and see if the problem has now been corrected. If problems persist, please contact support.quest.com. For more information, please see support.quest.com. Thank you.